Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the document and making comments visible. This helps you see what will be removed. Once the file is open, go to the Review tab and switch display to all markup so every insertion and comment appears. Make sure the comments pane is shown, either by clicking a comment bubble or choosing Review Comments. This immediate visibility prevents accidental deletions. It lets you target comments selectively and prepares you for the next step, accepting or deleting track changes and comments. Now, remove comments selectively so you keep needed notes. Click a comment to focus on it, then press Delete or use the Review tab controls. Once you click Next or Previous, you can move through comments quickly. Right-click offers Delete Comment immediately. If you decide to clear everything, choose Review Delete all comments in document. This removes all comment balloons. Be careful. This action is not tracked as a comment removal, so make sure you've exported or resolved any discussion you may need later. Finish by accepting or rejecting track changes. Go to Review and use Accept or Reject for each change, or choose Accept All to complete the cleanup at once. Once done, turn off track changes so no new edits create markup. Toggle track changes in the Review tab. Make sure to save a clean copy. If something goes wrong, save a copy first and reopen it. Then set View to all markup to confirm all comments are gone. This troubleshooting step solves most visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.